Are you tired of soggy leftovers, endless oven preheating, or greasy deep-fried meals? Meet this Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven, stainless steel air fryer, 4.5-quart basket, AIR-160. A game-changer for home cooks craving crispy, flavorful dishes without the hassle or health trade-offs. This sleek, versatile appliance combines cutting-edge Air Advantage technology with a user-friendly design to deliver restaurant-quality results in your kitchen. Whether you're whipping up quick snacks or hearty family dinners, this air fryer oven promises convenience, health, and flavor in every bite. Let's dive into why this is the must-have kitchen gadget of 2025. Why the Cuisinart AIR-160 stands out. Air fryers have taken kitchens by storm, but the Cuisinart 4.5-quart basket air fryer elevates the game with its thoughtful design and powerful performance. Unlike bulky, single-function appliances, this stainless steel beauty is a multitasking marvel. Its 4.5-quart capacity and 8 by 8-inch cooking surface offer ample space for family-sized portions, while 4 cooking presets – air fry, roast, bake, keep warm – simplify everything from crispy wings to tender roasts. With 1600 watts of power and a 400-degree Fahrenheit max temperature, it delivers precise, professional-grade results every time. Plus, its dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Imagine this. You're hosting a game night, and your guests are raving about your golden, crunchy mozzarella sticks, made with little to no oil. Or picture a busy weeknight where you toss in a tray of veggies, hit a preset, and serve a healthy, flavorful side in minutes. The Cuisinart AIR-160 makes these moments effortless, blending style, function, and health-conscious cooking into one sleek package. The Cuisinart AIR-160 tackles these head-on. Its Air Advantage technology circulates hot air for even crispy results without drowning your food in oil. The toss reminder ensures uniform cooking, and the viewing window lets you monitor progress without opening the basket. Plus, the automatic keep warm function holds your meal at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. No more cold dinners. Key features that make it a kitchen. Essential. Let's break down what makes this air fryer oven a standout. 4.5-quart capacity. Spacious enough for a whole chicken or a tray of fries, perfect for 2 to 4 people. 4 cooking functions. Air fry, roast, bake, and keep warm offer endless recipe possibilities. 4. Easy presets. Take the guesswork out of cooking with one-touch settings for perfect results. 1600 watts of power. Heats up fast and cooks evenly with a 400 degrees Fahrenheit max for ultimate crispiness. Dishwasher-safe parts, non-stick basket, and crisper plate make cleanup quick and stress-free. Digital display and viewing window, intuitive controls, and a peek-in window simplify operation. Automatic keep warm, keeps food ready to serve for up to 60 minutes. Stainless steel. Design, sleek, modern look elevates your kitchen aesthetic benefits. That seal the deal. Why should you add this air fryer oven to your cart? Here's the payoff. Healthier cooking. Air Advantage technology cuts oil use, delivering crispy textures with fewer calories. Time-saving convenience. Quick preheat, easy presets, and fast cooking mean meals in minutes. Versatile performance. From snacks to roasts, this appliance handles it all with pro-level results. One user on Amazon raved, "I love the see-through window and light. It's so easy to check on my food. The presets are a lifesaver, and it's worth every penny for how healthy and crispy my meals turn out." Another noted, "Cleanup is a dream with the dishwasher-safe basket. I use it daily, and it still looks brand new." These real-world experiences highlight why the Cuisinart AIR-160 is a top pick for 2025. Who's it for? The Cuisinart 4.5-quart basket air fryer is perfect for busy professionals needing quick, healthy meals after long days, families looking to feed 2 to 4 people with minimal effort, health-conscious cooks wanting crispy flavors without the guilt, apartment dwellers with limited counter space but big culinary ambitions. Its compact yet powerful design fits small kitchens, while its capacity and versatility suit larger households. Whether you're an air fryer newbie or a seasoned home chef, this appliance adapts to your needs. The verdict: why you need the Cuisinart AIR-160. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven, stainless steel air fryer, 4.5 quart basket, AIR-160, isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, promotes healthier eating, and delivers mouth-watering results with minimal effort. Its sleek design, versatile functions, and easy cleanup make it a no-brainer for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Don't settle for soggy leftovers or greasy takeout. Unlock the power of professional-grade air frying today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.